Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Don't fail to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post updates like this, you always be the first to know. Thank you guys. So today I'll be talking about this update that actually pay you for talking with someone. It's just like the one of Neo and the one of Yup AI. Now when you call somebody, they will be paying you. This is exactly like that. If you did not do Neo and you did not do Yup AI before, this is another one for you. Don't miss this opportunity. So this one, they will actually pay you $20 for 1 hour call. Is that no? Is that not crazy? This is the best of it so far. And this how it is on this app. Let me just take you guys along it. They will not tell you how it is. You see this place? This is the dashboard. This is the front side. You can see your name, your message, your wallet, everything is showing here. Then see your calls. Let's view it together. See the calls I've made. There are some they will approve, there are some they will reject, there are some that will be on pending. You see it. This one, why is showing cancelled? Because they called me. I was not online. I was not able to pick. So when I came, this thing was already cancelled. That's why it's showing like this. This one, they called me and I picked. You see, it's showing pending. You see, it's showing pending. You can see the place for pending. See, 3 calls. I've only made 3 calls on this app. Then you see the one for verify. Once they verify my call, it will be showing here and it will reflect in my balance. You can see the one of cancelled. You see it because I was not online. Then see the one I've rejected. This one I picked this one, but the other person did not accept. Like after making a call, they will tell you to accept. I will explain that one later. Then you see accepted, none yet. So let's go back. So you see the one for call. Yeah. If you are registering under me, you just copy my username and post it here. When you post it here, search it, you will see me, then you call. Once you call, I accept you. Then we'll talk. After talking, please don't forget this thing. After you end the call, there's something that will show. Do you approve? Like you should share it 50-50. Just click on approve. 50-50 means if they are paying you $20, you guys are going to share it. The two of you will share it for that call. But if you say no, zero, only you will be earning, the other person will not earn. So if you do it like that, the other person will not accept in his own side. And when he does not accept, it will be rejected. That's how it is. Then you see wallet. This is where your wallet will be. You see people have referred in my group. You see, I've invited 21 friends. Your wallet address, your wallet issue, this is where you see it. You can set it up. Then your phone, your profile, you see it. This is the age I use. You can use any age of your choice. I just choose the age that I like to use. Then you see the wallet, your friends. You want to invite your friend, you can copy your invite link. See it, just click here to pop it out for you. You can copy it from there. Then this is my referral code. Want to join? See, if you want to join on Discord, you can click here. You go and join them on Discord. It's like I've already joined them before. You join them on Discord. Allow. Go to server. You see it. See it. This is their page. Yeah, this is their page. This is their page. This is just their page. You can just go along with everything that they are doing here. Just click anything you like, click. Then let's go back to the system. This is just it. You can follow them on X. This is the app. There's no really big thing here. What you are doing is just calling. When you call, they pay you. That's just it about this app. Use the link to download the app directly and start making call. Please make a good call that they will approve on time. This is how this thing is. If you call, it's about buying. Their partner will see the call and think if they can buy it. If they can buy it, they will buy it. If they cannot buy it, they will store your call. But if they buy it immediately, they will pay you. That's just how it is. So make quality calls that they can buy so that they will not store your money, will not just be there stored until when they see somebody that will buy that your call before they will pay you. So make calls. Those that like making calls, just make many calls. Inside all those your many calls, some will be approved inside and you can get your money out. The minimum withdrawal is $5. That's the minimum withdrawal to withdraw from this site. It is $5. Minimum withdrawal is $5. See, they say I should set my wallet. I've not set my wallet yet. I've not done all these things. I've not done all these things. So that's just it. It's a very easy app. There's no stress here and it's free. You are not paying any dime. It is free. Just make call. All those calls that used to make that don't used to pay you. You can invite your parents or your family members and say, I have app that we can be calling. No, people can call you, you talk, you call. They at the end of the day they will pay you. And the registration, it is not hard. It is so simple to register here. There's no stress here. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't fail to comment, don't fail to like, don't fail to share. Please, I love you guys. You guys have been trying 400 subscribers within how many? It's not up to 1 month. You guys are the best. Thank you guys. Bye.